We have created a step-by-step process to facilitate and quantify our results with every campaign that we do for you. Questionnaire. Before we begin, we'll send you over a questionnaire. Defining your main goal is crucial to create a plan. We also want to understand your business and your unique approach so we can carry on your brand's voice and message on our campaign. Audit. IDX.Marketing takes on the great responsibility of auditing not only your content, but the website and social media content strategy of your competitors as well. Our goal is to find your company's strengths and weaknesses in the digital world to see how we can best approach your digital advertising campaign. Report. After our thorough digital marketing audit, our digital marketing strategists will build a custom report for you. We will guide you through our findings from your social media channels, your competitors, and our recommendations to optimize your digital marketing strategy. Proposal. Following your approval, we will draft together a digital marketing plan for your campaign and define the KPIs to ensure we are getting to the established goals. We will take you through our strategy step by step, as well as premiere the ad creative that we have designed to align with your company's branding. Campaign and report. After approval and launch of your ad campaign, we will oversee the results as they happen live, as well as optimizing the ads throughout the campaign. This is to guarantee the best results possible. Give us the chance to run your campaigns and give you the best digital marketing experience from a firm that is solely dedicated to elevate your brand.